Dearest Betty, today we liberated Amsterdam. Oh, not a shot was fired.
Instead, we see forth just rolled in. About 1,000 of us, and the city's entire 800,000 people were waiting. For 4 miles, thousands upon thousands lined the streets.
The first night that the troops had moved in, I was leaning out the window of my little room and I heard music, you know, and I thought, boy, we're free. Yeah.
The night before, the Canadians came in and the Germans disappeared. So the next morning, we were right away on the streets and we wanted to be on the corner where the guys came.
We had a parade in town as thank you to the Dutch people for looking after us. The Dutch all were out there wiping their tears away.
The streets were lined and lined with people, and the soldiers just couldn't believe the incredible reception that they got. It was really a moment that you never forget.